Hey YouTube, it's Mia J and I'm back again with another video. And for today, I'm just out today with my cousin and we're just out for a little mid-morning girls day, and we're taking you along with us for the journey, so stay tuned. Okay, my cousin is getting her eyebrows done, so I'm just along for the ride for a little maintenance day. We got another place to go to after this. Do a little shopping, little retail therapy, if you will. Okay, we made it to TJ Maxx. Was looking at the fragrances, and they don't seem to really have anything. I'm looking at the sunglasses. I'm a sunglass fanatic. This is the wall of sunglasses, but I just want to see. I just like to see what they have in the sunglass section. Nothing really standing out to me. Not this time, unfortunately. Oh well, moving on. Let's see. Ooh, they have an M. They have an M, it's just not it's not like the one you guys. Where they have an M necklace.
Oh, M.
Yeah, but it's not like, see, look. But it's not like theirs. Yeah, I wanted it like that. Yeah. Oh well. So much for that. Ooh, these are cute.
I don't want to look G.
I love.
I don't want to look. Clearance.
It's okay. Not hey clearance.
Where's Queen?
She said, hey Clarence. Clarence,
Oh,
get it?
God.
Clarence.
Oh, y'all see me. Y'all see me.
Clarence, Clarence.
You see me. You did.
That is a cute shirt.
Like you said, we never went out again.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you should be. I'm so sad.
My sister got me cookies. She got me cookies. She got me cereal.
I think I'm done. Better night.
Oh, I bet that now.
Tomorrow.
Thank you.
I love coffee!
They won't see it.
I love coffee!
Yes.
I love coffee!
Oh, you too.
Oh God, it's so good.
Okay, I gotta do some cleaning, so just gonna try to get through it. It's not too much to do, but I gotta do the vacuum the stairs, living room, and my bathroom, and kind of just straighten up and dust my room a little bit. So let's get to it. All right, y'all, getting into this midday cleaning. Don't come for my outfit. I had to be comfortable, and it is what it is. But getting into these stairs, vacuuming. Go, girl. Get it. Clean them stairs. Get that work done. Okay, now I had to vacuum my room, and it's quick. All this is like real quick, but I had to get my dance breaks in. So don't mind me while I vacuum. I got my headphones on. I'm jamming to my music, and I'm just getting my work done. If you know, you know, and if you know, you know. And I'm just doing that. I know you guys are thinking to yourself,
Boring!
who wants to watch her vacuum? But it could be relaxing and calming to somebody else. Who knows? I don't know. But my music is good that I'm listening to. Sorry, you can't hear it, but it's good. And I'm just getting my work done. I don't know how y'all get y'all work done, but now it's time for a dance break. Get into it. Go. Get it. Go, girl. Get it, girl. Go, girl. Get it, girl. Still got to finish my work, but I still had to get my little 1-2 break in. And if y'all know this song, y'all know why I'm dancing like this.
And don't!
Get into it. But now I got to finish. I got to hurry up and finish because I was halfway through. Had to dust. Had to go through my perfumes and rearrange them. Get a little sip of my coffee in. And I had to organize my makeup and just a few things, put some laundry away, and this is the final product. Check out my room, all nice and clean, all nice and clean. I recently redecorated my room and did some new colors and had this inspiration, and I love how it came out. I printed these pictures myself at Walmart, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.